Welcome back everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the headband on this pair of QC35s. If you need any tools or parts, it'll be linked in the video description down below, and if you don't feel comfortable with this repair, you can always send it into our repair center and we can do it for you. Alrighty, to start off, we'll flip the headphones over, go to the left side and take this ear pad off just by kind of going under it, pulling it out, placing that to the side. Next, we need to remove this cover off. There'll be two pieces of tape held here and here. So we go up top and then we carefully just pry and work our way down. Next, there will be two Phillips head screws here and here, here and here. So we will just take those out. Next, we could flip the headphones over, and you can use your plastic pry tool to just go into this and pop the cover off. Place that to the side. Next, I like to pop this rubber piece off just so we don't lose it and we know where it is, placed to the side. Next, we're going to have to unsolder all these wires. So there's this clip holding the wire down. Push down and out, and we'll pop this wire out. And next, we can apply some flux onto all the solder points and use our soldering iron to take that off. Now that we've got that wire unsoldered, or those wires, we can go ahead and take these two Phillips screws out. Place those to the side. And once we've gotten those removed, we can grab our pry tool and I like to start with the side that doesn't have the wire on it. Make sure you keep this flat because there are clips that align there. Just go under it, pry up, and repeat the same steps on the next side. Once you've taken it out, you can remove this top panel, this top piece, place that to the side, and the bottom one will just slide down. And you can place this to the side as well. Next, you can just go ahead and pull your wire through. Place this cup to the side, and now we can remove these two Phillips screws here and here. Now we just hold this metal on top and these will just slide right off, and you pull the wire through. Place that to the side as well, and we take this metal clip off, place that to the side, and take two more Phillips screws out here and here. Place those two screws to the side as well, and this clip will pop off from both sides. Place that to the side as well. Now we're ready to pull the old headband cushion off. Remove these two Phillips head screws as well. These will pop off as well. Place this to the side. And now you're ready to pull the old headband cushion off. So just kind of get a grip on it and we can pull it out. And once you feel it kind of stopping, could grab a screwdriver, and where it's coming up on the edge of this, you just pry it up. And keep going the rest of the way. Now we can place this to the side and grab our new headband cushion. So this plastic piece in here works as it's like a guide to help the wire easily slide in through, and we'll just pull it out at the end. So we grab our wire, and what we want to do is go on top of this, and on the bottom, on the bottom of the plastic, and on top of all the others. There'll be a little middle divider here, so you can see. We'll just go above it, so it's going between the cloth and the plastic. So we just guide our wire through. And once it comes out the other side, you just pull the rest of this wire right through. And sometimes this plastic likes to slide up, so just bring that back down into place, just like so. Now, once we've aligned this to where we like it, we can just pull this plastic sheet right out. And we can toss that, it's just garbage. It just helps with the wire going through and aligning this. So now we get it to a position we like, where it lines up evenly on both sides. And we can start putting these clips we took off earlier back on. So an easy way to tell is one side will be like indented, and it will just be straight open. The open side will go on top, and there will be cutouts here where there's room for screws. So we get one on, and we just follow the same on the bottom one. Grab those screws we took out earlier. They're the shorter ones. And do the same thing on the other side. Sometimes if this is sticking out, just give it a little nudge to go in. Line it up how you like. And there we go. We'll grab 2 more of our screws, all the shorter ones. And there we got our new headband on. Next, we can put our panels back on. First, we'll go this metal clip and make sure there will be a curved end, a closed end, and an open end. Go up top with the curved end so that open end is facing down. Just like so. Next, we can guide our wire through this panel. That will slide right in, and we pull this up to where we kind of see a kink in the wire. It'll almost lock itself into place. Next, we grab our other panel, the outside panel, and we see the top where it kind of indents for the clip to go on. We'll put that on, slide it down, make sure the wire is aligned, and we can and just kind of close that into place. And hold the clip on the top and just slide the panels into it. Slowly align until you hear that pop. Next, just by holding this down, we test that it moves freely, and we grab 2 more of these shorter screws. Now we're gonna grab the hinge swivel, putting the bottom one on first, kind of go at an angle and just slide it in. Next, we can guide the wire through, seating it into place. And we can put this top piece back on. Using the last 2 smaller screws. Next, we can grab the cup back, and the wires will go through the side where this board is. So what we can do is flip this over, so you can just grab this wire, go through the hole, and kind of guide it up. And we can just pull it through. And clip this into place. And move on to the other side. And just repeat that. Next, we're going to need to solder these wires back on. What helps is taking a picture, or we can provide on screen right now a picture diagram of how the wires go. Now that we've got that soldered on, we can just push this wire back down and into its clip. Next, grab the rubber piece we took off earlier and just place it back onto the microphone. And we can grab our cover and place that back on. Next, we flip the headphones over, holding the cover carefully, and put in our last 2 longer screws. Next, we grab the inside mesh, and we've replaced the tape, so we just align this and just push the tape down. Next and final step, we grab our ear pad and start from the top clip, and we just slide it in and slowly work our way around, popping each clip in. And there we go. You've just replaced the headband on your QC35. Thanks for watching, and again, please comment, like, subscribe. Any questions, comment section down below. If you need any of the parts or tools in this video used in this video, they'll be linked in the description down below. As well as, if you don't feel comfortable performing this repair, you can always send it into our repair center and we'll have a technician take care of that for you. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a phenomenal day.